God. Oh, God.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we're gonna cross this river. Alright, so it's another rain drive with you guys. You know, it's pouring cats and dogs. So just bringing you guys on the journey. Rain has been falling for a good while. From last night, to be exact. So it's a good amount of water on the road. So we're just trying to brave the water, guys. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. You know, just join the Raymore Reviews Club, the community. So you can see a lot more videos like this and other driving videos, tours, you name it, we have it. Remember to like the video, leave a comment as well, and share the video. So Rain Drive, Kingston, we're in the Moline Gardens community. So we're now heading onto Moline's Road. Or Moline's River, as some persons call it when it rains. And I'm sure I'm gonna see some vehicle probably broken down. Don't have to ask. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the rain drive. Leave your comments. We know drainage is an issue on all our roads. There's no question about it. But leave your comments. Alright, so it's the vehicles being pulled, you know, because they broke down. The rain came down much heavier. So I know you guys probably can't see that clearly, but that's how heavy the rain is. Alright, so it's around 8:30 a.m. and the time looks like 6 p.m. You know, you can hardly see. You know, usually at 8:30 the sun would be bleeding. So I'm sure in the next 10 to 20 minutes, if the rain continues like this, Moline's road will be flooded and impassable. I know that. This road is a river when rain falls. So vehicles are already struggling going up to halfway tree direction because the water is running down from halfway tree direction. So once this continues, it'll be crazy. So again, we're at Moline's Road, Kingston. Heavy rain drive, flooded roadways. Just sharing the image with you guys. I'm sharing the video with you guys. And I know persons from abroad is watching, so let us know in the comment section, you know, how is the roadway, how is the traffic when rain, you know, when there is heavy rain in your area, in your country. I know persons are watching from US, England, Canada, all over. So let us know in the comments, how is it like on the roads when you have some heavy rainfall. And I think these showers are coming from a tropical, I think it's a tropical depression. I'm not sure if it was developed into a storm as yet, but it's passing real close to Jamaica. I think it's Delta, tropical storm or tropical depression Delta. You guys can let me know in the comments. So we're getting heavy rain from that weather system that's passing by right now. I think it's more heading towards Cuba, so it's not heading directly for Jamaica. And it's really good that for this hurricane season we haven't had any hurricanes passing over. That's really good because quite a few missed us and keep missing us, and we want it to remain that way, because to have coronavirus plus a hurricane would be crazy. So we're now on the boulevard. We're passing Jerusalem, that's the left turn right here. So we're on the boulevard, still some heavy rain. And if you travel this route regular, there's some deep potholes, so you have to really know where they are, so you don't find yourself in them as well. Traffic is moving very slow due to the, you know, the flooded roadway, and then, you know, the road is not the best when it comes to pothole as well. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I know some persons enjoy driving in the rain, enjoy the rain drive, so have fun. And remember to leave your comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and let us know what the roadways is like when your area is experiencing some heavy rainfall. Thanks for clicking and thanks for watching, guys. Oh, and one more thing, guys. I think probably for some persons overseas, they may have snow instead of rain. So if snow is your thing, you know, share some experience, because I know snow driving is not normal. It's very dangerous as well. So let us know in the comment section as well.